What's it like between you and him out there? Was it competitive? This is the first time I assume you've ever played against him.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's probably kind of like that unspoken competitiveness, just being raised how we were raised and being athletes our whole life. But it was nothing too crazy.
What did you say to him after the game? We saw you go right to him.
I didn't say anything about the game. It's kind of crazy. We was talking about I'm coming back up here later, right when we get back, and let's hang out with the family. So I'll probably rub it in a little bit then.
Keith, how many family members did you have here roughly and friends?
My aunt and uncle, my whole family, and some other outside cousins and stuff, so probably about 20.
And you were talking earlier, but what section did they wind up?
I think my parents stayed in that section, and then some of my cousins, my little sister was in the Georgia section.
Okay.
And we had some other tickets.
After last year losing to these guys, what did this game mean?
It meant a lot, just because it's our biggest rival, the whole state of Georgia, and last year we didn't obviously go out like we wanted to go out, and it was kind of felt like disrespect a little bit, so it was good to get the win.
You guys won everything since the Florida game. What do you think it says about this team? Looking good.
We just stuck together and kept fighting when our backs were against the wall, tried to do all the outside noise, and the coaches still gave us our all, we gave them our all, so it shows a lot about us.
So much talk has been about Mark Richt, his future here. What would you say to fans or people who think?
He's not a better coach, a better man in the country, so I hope he stays in front.